In August 2024, orbiting eyes in the sky captured a sight that sent shockwaves through defense circles worldwide. Satellite imagery obtained and analyzed by Western intelligence agencies revealed a pair of bat-winged aircraft parked on the tarmac of Malan Air Base in China's far western Xinjiang province. These are believed to be the elusive GJ-11 sharp-sword stealth drones caught in a rare moment of visibility. Subsequent captures depicted the drones parked in front of a hangar, hinting at ongoing maintenance or possible mission preparation. This flurry of activity at Malan, a known hub for testing uncrewed platforms, seems to suggest that China is ramping up its stealth drone program, potentially moving from testing to operational deployment. What made these satellite images particularly significant was the scarcity of verifiable information about the GJ-11. The drone had made its public debut nearly 5 years earlier, on October 1, 2019, during a military parade marking the 70th anniversary of the People's Republic of China. Since then, concrete details about its development and capabilities have remained elusive. The GJ-11's lineage traces back to 2013, when a prototype conducted its maiden flight. However, that earlier incarnation bore little resemblance to the refined weapon system glimpsed in the satellite imagery. The most striking evolution lay in the rear aspect of the aircraft. Where the prototype featured an exposed exhaust, the models at Malan boasted concealed engine outlets, dramatically reducing their radar and infrared signatures. Analysis of the satellite imagery revealed key details about the GJ-11's design. Its flying wing configuration, reminiscent of the American B-2 Spirit bomber, offers superior aerodynamic efficiency and a reduced radar cross-section. This approach allows the drone to penetrate heavily defended airspace while potentially carrying a significant payload of precision-guided munitions. The presence of multiple GJ-11S at Malan raised eyebrows among defense analysts. It hinted at the possibility of cooperative drone operations, a capability that could revolutionize China's approach to aerial warfare. The prospect of swarms of stealthy, autonomous strike aircraft operating together presents a daunting challenge to even the most advanced air defense systems. Chinese state media claims the Sharp Sword can carry up to two 2,000-pound class bombs in internal weapon bays. This substantial payload, coupled with the drone's reported 200-mile combat radius, positions the GJ-11 as a powerful long-range strike platform. If these specifications are accurate, the drones spotted at Malan could potentially reach targets throughout much of Asia from their current location. The satellite imagery from Malan Air Base offers a rare glimpse into China's advancing drone technology, as a stark reminder of its growing military-industrial prowess. The presence of operational GJ-11S suggests China is on the cusp of fielding a considerable new capability that aligns perfectly with its goal of challenging American military dominance in the Asia-Pacific region. These images likely represent only a fraction of China's stealth drone program. Additional GJ-11S may be concealed in hangars across the country, ready for deployment. Given China's demonstrated ability to rapidly develop and field advanced technologies, even more sophisticated unmanned aircraft may already be in development. The era of stealth drone warfare has arrived, with China positioning itself at the forefront. As the GJ-11S at Malan Air Base stand poised for action, the balance of power in the skies over Asia hangs in the balance. In the coming years, we will likely see an acceleration in drone technology development worldwide as nations rush to counter this silent, bat-winged new threat. In the pre-dawn hours of August 30th, 2024, a peculiar silhouette cut through the hazy skies above China's western desert. The aircraft, with its distinctive flying wing design, moved with an eerie silence that belied its size and speed. This was no ordinary test flight, but the first captured footage of what many believe to be China's most advanced unmanned aerial vehicle to date, the CS-5000T. The video was initially shared on the Chinese social media platform Weibo and spread like wildfire across global defense forums. Analysts pored over every pixel, seeking clues about the aircraft's capabilities and purpose. The footage revealed a sleek, tailless design reminiscent of the American B-2 Spirit bomber but on a smaller scale. Its smooth contours and lack of visible control surfaces hinted at a level of stealth technology that put it in league with the most advanced aircraft in the world. Reports from anonymous sources within China's aerospace industry hinted at some of the CS-5000T's purported capabilities. The drone was said to boast an operational ceiling of 18,000 meters, a cruising speed of 800 kilometers per hour, and an endurance of up to 20 hours. If true, these specifications would place the CS-5000T at the forefront of global drone technology, capable of conducting missions far beyond the reach of conventional aircraft. However, Chinese officials have maintained a conspicuous silence about the aircraft, neither confirming nor denying its existence. This veil of secrecy only fueled further speculation. Some defense analysts posited that the CS-5000T might be a technology demonstrator, pushing the boundaries of China's aerospace capabilities. Others saw it as a fully operational platform, ready to be deployed in roles ranging from long-range reconnaissance to electronic warfare. Whatever the truth may be, geopolitics observers did not fail to notice the timing of the CS-5000T's appearance. Tensions in the South China Sea have reached a fever pitch in recent months, with territorial disputes threatening to boil over into open conflict. The sudden emergence of an advanced stealth drone sent a clear message to China's rivals. The nation's technological prowess was not to be underestimated. The potential impact of such a platform on regional security dynamics cannot be overstated. With its alleged long-range and stealth capabilities, the CS-5000T could theoretically penetrate the air defenses of China's neighbors with impunity, gathering critical intelligence or even delivering precision strikes. This prospect has sent shockwaves through defense establishments across Asia and beyond, prompting urgent reassessments of air defense strategies. Speculation about the CS-5000T's role in China's broader military doctrine abounds. Some experts believe it may be intended as a key component in China's anti-access/area denial strategy, designed to keep potential adversaries at bay in the event of a conflict. Others see it as a tool for extending China's intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities far beyond its borders, providing unprecedented situational awareness across vast swaths of the Indo-Pacific region. The emergence of the CS-5000T has also reignited debates about the future of air combat. As unmanned systems become increasingly sophisticated, the line between drones and piloted aircraft continues to blur. The CS-5000T, with its advanced stealth features and potential for autonomous operation, represents a glimpse into a future where human pilots may no longer be necessary for even the most complex aerial missions. As the world grapples with the implications of this mysterious new aircraft, one thing remains clear: China's aerospace industry has entered a new era. Whether as an operational platform or a stepping stone to even more advanced systems, this enigmatic flying wing has already left an indelible mark on the landscape of global security. In the corridors of power from Washington to Tokyo, strategists and policymakers are now faced with a stark reality. The technological gap that once separated China from the world's leading military powers has narrowed significantly. As the CS-5000T continues its shadowy flights over the Chinese desert, the rest of the world watches with a mixture of fascination and trepidation, knowing that the balance of power in the skies may never be the same again. On September 6, 2024, a streak of light pierced the pre-dawn sky over China's Gobi Desert. The Shenlong spaceplane, its name meaning Divine Dragon in Mandarin, touched down at the Jiuquan Satellite Launch Center after a clandestine 268-day mission. This marked the culmination of a journey that began on December 14, 2023, when a Long March 2F carrier rocket hurled the enigmatic craft into orbit. The landing, shrouded in secrecy, signaled China's latest triumph in the realm of reusable space technology. Shenlong's extended stay in orbit shattered previous endurance records for Chinese spaceplanes, eclipsing its predecessor's 276-day flight. Yet the true nature of its orbital activities remained a closely guarded secret, sparking intense speculation among international observers. Throughout its mission, Shenlong demonstrated capabilities that sent ripples through the global intelligence community. In January 2024, space tracking data revealed an unexpected maneuver. The spaceplane abruptly ascended from its initial orbit to an altitude of 600 kilometers, showcasing an impressive degree of operational flexibility. This sudden altitude change hinted at Shenlong's potential to rapidly reposition itself, a valuable feature for civilian and military applications. More intriguing still were the objects Shenlong released during its orbital ballet. U.S. Space Force sensors detected at least 7 separate deployments, with one occurring as late as May. The purpose of these mysterious payloads remains unknown, though theories range from scientific experiments to covert surveillance devices. Some analysts even posited that Shenlong might be testing space-based weapons, a notion vehemently denied by Chinese officials. The veil of secrecy surrounding Shenlong began to lift slightly in August when an Austrian astrophotographer captured rare images of the craft. The blurry photographs, while far from definitive, offered tantalizing clues about Shenlong's design. Sharp-eyed observers noted what appeared to be solar panels affixed to the spaceplane's rear section, suggesting an advanced power system capable of supporting extended missions. China's state media, typically reticent about military matters, offered sparse details about Shenlong's mission. Official statements claimed the flight tested reusable spacecraft technology and conducted unspecified scientific experiments. However, the emphasis on reusability underscored China's ambition to dramatically reduce the cost of accessing space, a goal with far-reaching implications for both civilian and military operations. Shenlong's successful flight marks a significant milestone in China's broader space strategy. The ability to deploy a reusable spaceplane opens new avenues for satellite deployment, space station resupply, and potentially even rapid global strike capabilities. This achievement places China in an elite club, joining the United States as one of the few nations to operate a reusable spacecraft in orbit for extended periods successfully. Comparisons to the U.S. Air Force's X-37B spaceplane are inevitable. Like its American counterpart, Shenlong blurs the line between aircraft and spacecraft, offering unparalleled flexibility in orbital operations. However, China's rapid progress with Shenlong, from its first brief flight in 2020 to this extended mission, has caught many Western observers off guard. Meanwhile, the implications of Shenlong's capabilities extend far beyond the realm of space exploration. Military strategists are particularly concerned about the spaceplane's potential to serve as a platform for anti-satellite operations. Its maneuverability and ability to deploy multiple objects in orbit make it a potent tool for interfering with or disabling enemy satellites in times of conflict. Moreover, Shenlong's success represents a broader trend in China's aerospace sector. From hypersonic glide vehicles to advanced fighter jets, the nation has demonstrated a remarkable ability to close the technological gap with Western powers. This spaceplane, with its cutting-edge capabilities, serves as a powerful symbol of China's ascendance as a space power. As Shenlong undergoes post-flight analysis at Jiuquan, engineers and scientists are undoubtedly already planning its next mission. Each flight provides valuable data, allowing for incremental improvements in design and performance. The lessons learned from this 268-day odyssey will inform the development of future Chinese spacecraft, potentially including larger, more capable spaceplanes. As the dust settles on the Gobi Desert landing strip, one thing becomes abundantly clear. The Divine Dragon has returned to Earth and brought with it an era of reusable spaceplanes, a cosmic revolution that China seems intent on leading.